Welcome to JDM Motor Vibes, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and everything that makes car culture exciting. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2025 Genesis G90, a flagship sedan that redefines what premium feels like in a modern executive vehicle. If you're someone who appreciates quiet sophistication blended with cutting-edge technology and bold design, the Genesis G90 is a car you definitely need to know about. The 2025 Genesis G90 continues its tradition as the pinnacle of the Genesis lineup. Designed to compete with the best in the luxury segment, this sedan doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. The exterior design speaks volumes with its clean, sharp lines and distinctive two-line LED headlights that stretch into the grille, making a bold first impression. The front fascia is defined by a massive crest grille, giving the G90 an unmistakable presence on the road. Its silhouette is long, sleek, and elegantly proportioned, hinting at the comfort and performance that lies within. Step inside the G90 and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a first-class lounge than a typical car interior. Premium materials are used throughout, including open-pore wood, real metal trim, and soft-touch Nappa leather upholstery. The minimalist dashboard design is both modern and functional, with a massive dual-screen setup that houses both the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. Every button, switch, and control feels refined and intuitively placed. Passenger comfort is clearly a top priority, with both front and rear seats offering multi-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The rear seating area in particular is exceptionally luxurious, with features like a rear seat entertainment system, wireless device charging, and individual climate controls. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers two engine options. The standard model features a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. For those looking for even more performance, the top-tier variant adds a 48-volt mild hybrid system with an electric supercharger, boosting output to 409 horsepower. Both versions are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive comes standard. This setup provides a smooth, confident drive that blends power with elegance. The ride quality is further enhanced by the multi-chamber air suspension system, which automatically adjusts to road conditions to provide optimal comfort and handling. One of the standout features of the G90 is its advanced technology suite. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, meaning the car can receive new features and improvements long after you drive it off the lot. The G90 also comes equipped with a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, active noise cancellation, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The navigation system is intuitive and comes with augmented reality features that project directions directly onto the windshield through the head-up display. This adds a layer of convenience and safety, ensuring you never take your eyes off the road. Safety has always been a strong suit for Genesis, and the 2025 G90 is no exception. It comes loaded with a full suite of driver assistance features, including forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. There's also a new remote smart parking assist feature that allows the car to park itself while you stand outside and watch. It's ideal for tight spaces or situations where precision parking is necessary. Fuel economy numbers are respectable for a vehicle of this size and power. The base model achieves an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway, while the hybrid enhanced version sees a slight improvement thanks to the added efficiency of the electric supercharger. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $75,000 and climbs upwards depending on the configuration and options you choose. When compared to its European rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series, the G90 offers exceptional value without compromising on luxury, performance, or features. Overall, the 2025 Genesis G90 is a compelling choice for anyone looking to step into the world of luxury sedans. With its elegant design, powerful engine options, advanced technology, and an unmatched level of comfort, it stands tall among the top names in the segment. Whether you're a driver who enjoys being behind the wheel or a passenger who wants to relax in style, the G90 delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into the world of cars, be sure to subscribe to JDM Motor Vibes. We bring you detailed reviews, latest automotive trends, and exclusive content that every car enthusiast will appreciate. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.